Well, hi YouTube, this is Marcy. It's been about 3 years since I've been on and given you an update as far as my weight loss journey. I've just been extremely busy. Obviously took a major break in making videos, but I noticed that there are still people following me and there are still people messaging on my videos, and I figured it was time to do an update. I know that I relied on these videos a lot when I was looking into the VSG surgery, and so I decided that this is one little way I can give back, is to continue to do those. So anyways, as far as my stats go, let's see, I had the VSG surgery on March 20th, 2015. So again, 3.5 years ago. My highest weight was 212. My starting weight when I was looking into the VSG surgery was 208. And on surgery day, I was 201.2. Now, as of today, I'm 3.5 years post-op, and I am down a total of 66 pounds. For the last, I would say, 2.5 years, I have settled at between 146 and 152. So I just kind of go back and forth. But the last 3 weeks, I've been at 146, 147. So again, I'm not eating out of the ordinary or trying to maintain this weight. This is seriously with me eating normal, what I want, when I want. This is where my body has maintained and just remained. So it's been really great. I'm really happy with that. I did want to talk to you today about when you're overweight, you have a lot of insecurities as far as what you look like in this shirt, or do these pants give you a muffin top, or what are people going to think if I'm out in public? And I do have to tell you that after having lost the weight and it now being 3.5 years out, I do believe that I am a lot more confident in myself, and buying clothes has just been awesome and fun. You can literally go to any rack you want, and it's a matter of if you like it or not, rather than if they have your size or not and how it's going to look. So that has changed tremendously, and honestly, it has boosted my morale, my self-esteem. I'm really happy with myself as far as that goes. But what this goes back to is I do believe that there are still some insecurities that your body that you have about your body. And one of those that's carried with me is in my last video, it was at 6.5 months post-op, I had mentioned that the loose skin. Well, I ended up getting a full-time job, and I saved enough money, and when I had the money, I went and had that skin removed on my stomach area, underneath my arms, and then I did have implants put in because you just kind of have to say bye to your boobs when you have this surgery. If you've watched my other videos, you are aware of this, and if you haven't watched my other videos, this will be some new information. But years ago, I had really big boobs naturally, and I ended up getting a boob reduction, and then I ended up going through the weight loss surgery and losing a bunch of weight. So I went from a G to a D after the reduction, and then from a D I went to like a flabby B. And so anyways, it was, like I said, your insecurities just change around no matter what you do. So with the skin I had on my stomach, again, I got a full-time job, saved the money, had that removed, and I had boobs put in. And so I'm very confident in this area. However, now my insecurities have moved again. I am I am very insecure about my arms. Now, it doesn't keep me from wearing tank tops or things like that, or swimming, things like that, but it is an insecurity I have about myself. Now, I'm trying to get over that. You know, my mom, my husband, you know, people say they're fine or whatever. So, I'm working on being comfortable with my arms. But, so, again, I have sat at the loss of 66 pounds for 2.5 years. I'm really happy with that. I couldn't be happier. Everything I do is easier. I have more energy. I can do what I want as far as cleaning, picking up, doing your toes, scrubbing your feet, bending over to whatever it is you do. The movement, the mobility you gain from having an extreme weight loss it's life-changing. I have heard some stories about people going down to Mexico and doing the VSG surgery and it having a different outcome, whether it's infection or they were hospitalized or had a leak. And I just have to, I am only speaking from my experience, and mine was great. I didn't have any complications with it. So as far as that goes, if you're thinking about doing the VSG surgery, I would just strongly recommend you to do your research, watch YouTube videos, read about the clinic you're going to go to, the doctor that's going to perform the surgery. Just get as much information as you can before you move on and actually decide to do the surgery. But again, it has changed my life. I would have done it years before had I had known about it. It's been life-changing for me and my mom. My mom's doing amazing as well, and she's kept her weight off also. So with that being said, I'm going to give you some body shots. Bear with me while I adjust the camera. But basically, this is what I look like. Here is side view. Okay. I'm really bad at this. I'm sorry. I am getting a little tripod. But, so that's kind of where I am at with that. Let me see if I can give you more of like a body shot using the mirror. I don't know how to do this, but anyways, this is me. As far as my shirt size goes, I am a size small or medium depending on the shirt, if I want it loose or tight. I'm going to prop this up here and see if this will work. But, so anyways, here I am. This is me in a tank top and a skirt. I am still wearing size 6 in jeans. That has not changed at all. Even though in my last video, I think I was down to like 141, the 6 pounds did not make a difference. I am still in size 6 jeans. I am still buying size small and medium shirts depending on that. Yeah, so that's it. I am going to attempt to make more videos and be posting them. My kids are older now, 3 years older, so that makes a big difference in what I'm doing, and I'm a stay-at-home mom. Yeah, so I appreciate all of you who have hung in there and have watched my journey throughout my videos. Again, I am making a big attempt on coming back and doing more videos. And if you have any questions, post them below. I will check them out and answer them. Also, you can subscribe to my channel. It's just Marcy Sauter. And you can also, yeah, I guess just ask me whatever you need and I'll see what I can do to help you. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.